Nice job, Chloe. Did you best your time? Was that your best time ever?
I didn't get to see my time.
You didn't see your time?
But I just heard it was real good.
Can you see anything?
Yeah, I can see.
Oh, and how many more races are you in today?
I don't know.
Well, look on your arm.
3.
3 more? Oh, my.
So I just did 21, and now I have 33, 47, and 59.
Okay. Okay, we have to go get ready for Mia's.
All right, ladies, this is 25-yard backstroke.
Toes underneath the blue tile, right up to the blue tile. Get your toes up higher. There you go. Everybody, get your toes up.
Who's lane 1? Who wants to go home? What was that stroke called?
Backstroke.
Backstroke. And how do you think you did?
Pretty good.
Better than the last time you swam?
Yeah.
And what is the next one that you do?
It's butterfly.
You already did butterfly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go!
And do you have any other comments? Do you have any comments about this?
She's awesome. Way to go, Chloe.
Did she increase her time or decrease her time?
This is the they're setting their times right now for the season.
Oh, I see. So how do you ever know what time you got?
We'll find out later.
Oh, I see.
I have to go tell me.
Over and out.
Please.
Okay, then either get way in or get way out, because I don't want to jump on you.
All right. Okay. Ladies, this is a 25-yard breaststroke. 1 link to the pool. Timers and judges ready. Ladies, to your marks.
I'm going to push you once. Go! I'm not going to false start to control, Gemma.
So Danielle swam with Nora at least half the year.
I know who.
Are you going to do it again? No. She asked her if she was going to do it again. She said no.
Yay!
now you have to have your after swim interview. So how did you do with your swim? Very good? Was it your best time ever? Good. Anything you want to say? First you were nervous, but...
Are you going to do it again?
Oh, good. So I can take another movie. Oh, good. Okay.
Do you like it?
Here, I'll take a picture of you, a movie of you eating your donut. Show everyone your donut. Ooh, nice big donut. What's the best part of the donut? The chocolate?